Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and try on the Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to Moonshine Gold Lollipop. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to Moonshine Gold Lollipop that was released on October 28 and 29, 2023. And just taking a look at the bottom or underside of the box, you can see the 11 planets or stars representing the standard Omega Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch collection. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by sliding out the outer box sleeve and just setting that box sleeve on the right hand side for now and giving you a look at the inner box packaging. And of course the underside of the box. And now let's go ahead and open it up by spreading apart the box flap and giving you a look directly inside of the box. And let's pop off the top card and just setting that down to the side as we continue to remove the contents from the box packaging. So let's just rotate it right round so that you're seeing the watch in the correct or upright orientation. Okay, and just popping the cards and papers out from the box packaging and just setting them on the tabletop. So removing all the contents from the box and giving you a look at the watch up close before I remove it from its watch holder. So they're giving you a full and close-up look at the Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to the Moon Moonshine Gold with the lollipop shape hands or lollipop style chronograph seconds hand. Okay, and let's go ahead and pop the watch out or off its watch holder and just setting the watch down on the tabletop and of course giving you a look and just checking through to make sure nothing else is left in the box. We can close that up and let's just slide it back into its sleeve and keeping that on the right hand side of the tabletop. Okay, and now just bringing the contents from the Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to Moonshine Gold Lollipops box packaging in the middle of the frame so you have a full and clear look at the details, or at least the items from the packaging. Okay, so let's start off by taking a look at this card. So there is a warranty card. And it does come with a 2-year guarantee or warranty. So just setting that card to the side and moving right along. And there is a guarantee information and directions of use or user manual in various languages of this fold out style guide or booklet. So just going to set it down into the side as well. And of course there is the catalogue for the Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch collection. And let's unfold it so you have a full and clear look at the details of the entire collection. So let's take a look. So 11 stars or planets and the literature or product information and the information of each of the 11 models for the Omega Swatch BIOCERAMIC MoonSwatch collection. Now let's flip it over. And of course, there are some little features pertaining to the watch. Okay, and just going to fold it closed and setting that down to the side as well. So just keeping everything in frame. For completeness, and of course there is a card here pertaining to the Mission to the Moon, Mission to Moonshine Gold, and let's open it up. There we see that it is the Full Moon Production Certificate. Okay, just going to set that down and to the side. And finally we get to see the Mission to Moonshine Gold Lollipop for October 28, 29, 2023. So giving you a look at the overall details of this 42mm case size watch. So it is a quartz watch or battery operated watch with 30 meters of water resistance, or 3 bar. And it does have a 20mm lug width and a 13.25mm case thickness. So as you can see, this one, like this standard Mission to the Moon, is in steel grey and with the black Velcro strap or hook and loop strap. So let's try and achieve focus right there. And let's peel off the protective film so you have a clearer look at the dial and details of the watch. Okay, and of course giving you a further out look right there of the watch with its strap. And to give you some idea of the size of the watch, having it rest in my palm. So once again, a 42mm case size watch with a 20mm lug width and a 13.25mm case thickness. So the case is a bioceramic case. So let's take a close-up look at the dial or face of the watch. So we can see the Omega Swatch or Omega X Swatch details at the 12 o'clock position, and this being a chronograph watch with the LOLLIPOP Moonshine Gold seconds hand. And just showing you as much detail as I can, and of course taking a look at the pushers and the crown of the watch once we achieve focus. on its side right there, and of course you can see the Omega XS for the Omega Cross Swatch branding, and of course the tachymeter scale, white on black, and here you can see the Omega as well as the Swatch branding on opposite ends of the case on the straps. And of course taking a look at the case back of the watch. So it does have a image of the moon for the battery cover, and with an engraved case back with some details of the watch and some philosophical phrases on the shoulder of the case back. So let's see if I can give you a much closer in look at the details of the image of the moon on the battery case or battery cover. And of course taking a look at the strap details as well. So the Velcro strap or hook and loop strap, having a satin finish to it. So you can see a slightly shimmery satin finish of the Velcro strap in black, and of course the Speedmaster branding on the long end of the strap. So giving you a look right there at the script details, and let's bring it in closer. So you can see right there the Speedmaster Mission to the Moon Moonswatch text or script on the strap. So now giving you that full length view across the screen right there, and you can see the hook and loop details of the Velcro strap. So plenty of adjustability with the Velcro strap. So once again giving you a close-up look and surprisingly this watch is ticking very, very quietly. Of course, let's test out the chronograph function by pushing on the pusher at the 2 o'clock position, I beg your pardon, to get it started. So let's let it run for 1 minute. So you can see the hands tick and sweep on the reset as well. So let's start it. So you can see that Moonshine Gold Lollipop seconds hand ticking away, and we're going to let it run for another 30 seconds to complete a 1-minute cycle. And there we have it. Let's stop and reset. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try it on my 17.2 centimeters or approximately 6 3/4 inch circumference wrist. So let's strap the Velcro strap right through. And of course giving you a look at the strap length as well, the remainder, the watch sitting on my wrist. And of course let's fold it down, and right there, sitting comfortably on my wrist, this 42mm Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to Moonshine Gold Lollipop. And giving you overall looks at just how the wrist or watch sits or wears on my wrist. So once again, a 17.2 centimeter circumference wrist, or approximately 6 3/4 inches in size. And just trying to achieve focus again. There we go. And giving you another perspective as well. So slightly tricky trying to achieve focus with that shiny plastic window or glass. Okay, and now let's go ahead and take the watch off. I'm giving you a look once again, and of course up close as well, as I've done many times. So that's the Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to Moonshine Gold Lollipop. Thanks for watching and happy ticking!